about why oceans are important, especially Vietnam's oceans. So first, let's go over your quizzes homework. We had a lot of really good attempts here. Let's try and play it together. Everyone get ready and pay attention. I'll call on you all randomly, so be ready. What is the body of salt water? It is smaller than ocean and mostly surrounded by land attached to an ocean. Quang Hai?
A sea.
A sea. Nice work, Quang Hai. Number 2, what is the difference between Gulf and Bay? Kiwi?
Bay is larger and deeper than Gulf.
You think Bay is typically larger and deeper? Oh, sorry, Kiwi. The Gulf is larger and deeper than the Bay. Good try. The large body of salt water that covers 70% of Earth's surface. How about Cindy? Cindy?
Ocean.
Ocean, good job. A large area of ocean or sea that is partially surrounded by land. So it's normally part of the sea. Chi?
The Gulf.
The Gulf. Nice job. Good job, Chi. Number 5, what is this body of water? It is large and open. Min Huang?
Ocean.
Ocean, good boy. What is this body of water? It is the smallest and fully surrounded by land. Mickey?
Lake.
Lake, very good, Mickey. How about this? What is this body of salt water? It is partially enclosed by land and is smaller than a gulf. Hacker?
A bay.
A bay, good job. The bay. All right, which salty bodies of water are in Vietnam or surround Vietnam? Lehan?
It's Nha Trang Bay.
Good.
And Nha Trang Bay, Pacific Ocean.
Good. Nha Trang's Pacific Ocean. Kiwi, can you help her with the last one?
Gulf Tonkin.
Good. The Gulf of Tonkin. Nice work. Are marine animals important for fishing? Everyone say the answer.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, they're very important for fishing. What is the difference between the sea and the ocean? Min Long, what's the difference between sea and ocean?
Next time I cannot know the word.
That's okay. All right, let's see if someone else can help. How about Noob? Noob, what's the difference between the sea and the ocean?
The ocean is bigger than the sea.
Very good. The ocean's bigger than the sea. In fact, the sea is usually a part of the ocean. And here are the animals you can find. Dugongs, pinecone fish, so many more. Okay, let's take a look at what you guys did for your research homework. So this is Leo. Leo wrote about the megalodon and the Leviathan, but the Leviathan is not a real animal, and the megalodon is extinct. There are no more. So these aren't in Vietnam's oceans. But I like that you included some good facts, like they have 267 teeth, they're 60 or 80 feet. Amazing. Very good job, but not in the oceans of Vietnam, so not what we were looking for. Here's Sal's homework. Quang Hai, nice job. Quang Hai did a whale shark and a shrimp. Here's Teddy's homework. We have a clownfish and an octopus. Min Huang, very, very nice drawing, Min Huang. Kui, very good, Kui. We have a manta ray and sea turtles. Cindy drew a clownfish. Chi drew a couple of different animals like the tuna, the pufferfish, the whale, a squid. Zalin drew clownfish and shark. Leihan drew the whale shark. Let's see, Min Huang, can you tell us what you drew?
Draw sun ocean fish.
Very nice. Thank you, Min Huang. Let's do one more. We haven't heard from Queen in a while. How about Chi? Chi drew quite a few. Go ahead, Chi. What did you draw?
I draw a clownfish, a whale, a squid, a tuna, and a pufferfish.
Very nice. Great job, Chi. All right, good job, everyone, on your homework. Teddy, could you read your fact about the octopus?
The fish sometimes they live just 1 year. They just live 1 year. Octopus lay eggs, but octopus have to look out for the egg. And when the egg hatch, it's the time the mom octopus dead.
Good. So that's the time the mom octopus dies. Not dead, dies, but good job. So the mom octopus stays and protects the eggs, and by the time the eggs hatch, the mom octopus dies. Very nice, Teddy. Great work. Okay, let's go into today's lesson. Which bodies of water are around Vietnam? We have Ha Long Bay up here. We have, what's this one? The Gulf of, who can say it really well? How about Sao?
South China Sea.
The South China Sea, good. Hannah, what's this Gulf up here called?
Gulf of Tonkin.
Very good, the Gulf of Tonkin. Sal said South China Sea. We have the Gulf of Thailand. And way over here, we have the Pacific Ocean. Does Vietnam have a long coastline? So coast is the land along or touching a body of salt water. Does Vietnam have a long coastline? Leo, does Vietnam have a long coastline?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Good job, Leo. Look at the coastline for Cambodia. This is all Cambodia has right here. Vietnam has this entire thing. So, do you think it is important to Vietnam? Do you think the coastline is important to Vietnam? Ocean.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Good job. It's very important to Vietnam. Why are oceans important? How about Teddy? Teddy, why do you think oceans are important?
Oceans are important because there are lots of fish and corals and more living things in the ocean.
Very good. It has lots of things living in it. Why else would an ocean be important? Zalin, can we hear you, Zalin?
Yes,
Yay! Why do you think oceans are important?
because the ocean has many plants and animals in there.
Many plants. Good.
And animals too.
And animals too. Very true, Zalin. What's another reason the ocean's important? Min Long?
Because it has a little bit of fresh water.
The ocean only has salt water. Can you think of
Water.
another reason? What could we use the ocean for? What do people need the ocean for?
To swim in the summer.
Good, to swim in the summer and have fun. That's a great one, Minlong. Hai, do you have another reason?
A reason is the fish. The fish live in the ocean. We need the fish in the ocean because we need food.
Excellent. We use the fish for food.
And need to have any other plants and corals. If they don't have corals and plants, no animal live in the ocean.
Excellent. The coral are important because fish and animals need to live there. Great reason, Kwang Hai. Excellent job. All right, I think that's enough for that one. Let's take a look here. How do you think we're using the ocean in this picture? Hacker, how's the ocean important in the first picture?
Ocean is don't have any animal, and animal is not that, and animal is dead.
Well, that's not a bad answer, but let's look at the picture again. This picture up here. How are we using the ocean in this picture? Why is it important to these people? Sal?
In the summer, people can go to the beach, have fun.
Yeah, people go there to visit, to have fun. How about in these two pictures down here? Cindy, how's the ocean being used here?
Do some people find food?
Yeah, people use it to find food. So the first one up here, when people come to a place to visit it, like visiting Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum or visiting the Eiffel Tower in Paris, that's called tourism. Everybody say tourism. Good, so tourism are things people go see on vacation. Things people go see on vacation. Kiwi, say tourism.
Tourism.
Nice. All right, let's have one more. Mia, can you say tourism?
Tourism.
Nice. We also use the oceans for a healthy earth. The ocean helps the earth's air. It helps the animals that live there. Then we have economics, money. The ocean helps make us money, and it gives us food. Can everybody say the word economics?
Economics.
Good. Economics is money. Kwang Hai has a question. Go ahead, Kwang Hai.
Economics money means some people in the sea they work. Some people work in the sea. They have boats, and they have the boys have the boat, and they go to the sea. And they find the food like crabs, lobsters, and some animal shells. Then they come to the back of the sea. And the ladies make the food.
Excellent. Great job, Kwang Hai. So,
That is how they got money. If they didn't have money to buy other things, let's buy iPhone or buy other thing in the city, they need to buy things in the sea.
exactly, you're right. So that's how some people make all of their money. That's how Vietnam as a country can also make money. Good job with economics, Kwang Hai. But remember, the ladies can also go fishing, and the guys, the boys, can also cook, right? We can all do both of them. So Tourism is along Vietnam's coastline. From top to bottom, we use tourism. Let's look at some places. What's the name of this place, Teddy?
Bay.
Very good. Hat Long Bay. What about this one? Minha, what's the name of this place? Yeah, Minha, so this is another beach. What's the name of this beach? How about Sal? What's the name of this beach?
City Beach.
Very good. So look, this is City Beach. Look, the city goes all along the beach. This one looks more like a bay or a gulf. Going further south, we have this beautiful beach. What is the name of this beach, Lehan?
Quy Nhơn Beach.
Very good. And what do you see on this beach?
Have many people in the boat go to the beach to catch fish and crab to make money.
Very good. Excellent job, Lehan. Here's another beach. It looks like there's a little cove or a bay here. Nice work. What is the name of this beach? What's the name of this one, Ocean?
Cana Southern Coast.
Good, the southern coast. Ocean, do all of these beaches look the same?
No.
No. How are they different? Mia, how did these beaches look different?
The beach is have many trash cans
Yeah, they have trash cans. That's a good thing.
and many dirty things.
Yeah, some of them were dirty, some of them were clean. Leo, how does Star Beach look different from Cana?
They're small.
Yeah, maybe this one's smaller. Good job. How is this beach different? What does this beach have on it?
A trash.
Trash, lots of trash. Can you read this for us?
Just south of the capital, Hanoi, a beach to clean beach of Đà Lạt in Vietnam, Thanh Hoa province is low down inland from distance.
So good, not bad. So now we know where it is. It was the beach of Đà Lạt in Vietnam's province, one of Vietnam's provinces. This says the once peaceful and clean beach has been slowly suffocating under the weight of plastic waste for decades. Decades is a lot of years. Hacker, can you say the word, can you say weight of plastic waste?
Weight of plastic waste.
Good job, Hacker, thank you. So Vietnam is the 4th largest contributor. That means we give the 4th largest amount of marine plastic pollution. We put the most plastic in the water out of the entire world. There are over 300 countries in the world, and Vietnam is number 4 for how much plastic pollution we put in the ocean. So Vietnam puts a ton of plastic pollution in the ocean. How does this affect tourism? How about Zalin? Zalin, how does this affect tourism?
It's dirty, the ocean.
Yeah, it's dirty, there's pollution. Will people want to come visit Zalin?
No.
No, so tourism, remember that's when people come to see things. tourism would go down. People don't want to come see this beach. Here's a much nicer beach in Vietnam. Why is tourism important? It says about 70% of tourism in Vietnam is sea and island. So everyone that comes to visit Vietnam, 70% of what they do in this country is visit the ocean, is go to the beach. Can someone read this next paragraph? Kiwi.
Vietnam has 125 beaches, with the most popular beach being Da Nang. It was voted as one of the most beautiful beach on the planet from Forbes
Magazine.
magazine.
Very good, Kiwi. So, Vietnam has 125 beaches. No wonder 70% of tourism is visiting the beach. Vietnam's bays, caves, and amazing plants and animals have made it one of the greatest tourist destinations for visiting the ocean. One of the greatest tourist places to come. The Vietnamese communities have created island and sea cultures like festivals, special food, and gift shops all around sea tourism. Whole towns have been built near the ocean just because of tourism. And this makes money. There's also tourism in the sea, not just on the beach. What tourism is in the sea? Who can read this? Min Huang, can you read that for me?
Some people take our child to see Vietnam beautiful sea animal.
Good. Can you say the word tours?
Tours.
Good. Tours are when people go to see something, like a tour to Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, a tour to see the sea turtles. So this makes money, and that is economics. Everyone remember the word we learned? Who can read about how sea tourism has gone towards economics? First, Quang Hai, you have a question?
When the beautiful sea has lot people to come and swim and eat the delicious food in the sea. But if the sea is dirty, no one can touch the boat and the fishermen come to take fish.
Exactly. Right.
But in the dirty beach, some plastic bags and trash go to the sea. Then some in dirty beach is little bit of fish because the trash makes the animal die. But if we want to save the animal and want to see the animal, we need to take when we see trash, we need to put the trash in the trash bin. We cannot put on the sand. That is we cannot put the trash in the sand. We need to put on the bin that is recycled.
Exactly. You are completely right, Quang Hai. If the beach is dirty, there won't be any tourism, which gives Vietnam money. The fish will die and we can't fish them, right? There's a lot of different effects of having a dirty beach. It's really unhealthy. Yes, Quang Hai?
And when a dirty beach. No one comes to swim and no one wants to eat food in there because the sand is too lot of trash they don't have any. They smell bad and they just cannot put their leg and they have bad smell.
Excellent. Exactly. You are completely right, Kwang Hai. Good. So sea tourism brings in a lot of money, but fishing brings in more. Min Long, can you read about fishing economics?
Fishing economics
Yep, starting right here.
bring in nearly $1 billion every year. This one Vietnam most important. This sources of money.
Very good, Min Long. So Vietnam makes $10 billion on fishing every year. In order to fish this much, the number of fish needs to stay high, right? We can't do all of it. The number of fish need to stay high. So keeping the water clean, a healthy habitat, not fishing too much. Some marine animals are really important for fishing. Remember these ones? How are oceans important for providing food? Chi.
Because the ocean have lots of animals.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly right. It has lots of animals. So the oceans provide food for 15% of the protein. The rest might be chicken, pork. All right, but 1 billion people rely on the fish for their food. Quy, can you read the green box?
In Vietnam, people on seafood on a daily basis for survival.
Very good. People depend on this food to survive. They need it. How does the ocean keep the earth healthy? It helps the air we breathe. The ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen. Without the ocean, we couldn't breathe air. And it keeps more carbon dioxide than our air, than our atmosphere. That helps keep the earth cold over here. So the ocean gives us oxygen and holds carbon dioxide so the earth doesn't get too hot and so that we can breathe good, healthy air. Another way it keeps the earth healthy is the animals and plants keep the ocean healthy. Who remembers how the sea turtle helps the ocean? Teddy, do you remember?
The turtle help the ocean by something stick to its shell and then the fish come eat it.
Very good. The fish eat things off the turtle's shell, so it provides food. Here, remember these reasons? They control the number of their prey. That's one of the most important ones. Just like the lion controls the number of zebra, the sea turtles keep seagrass healthy. They're food for other animals. Dead animals give nutrients to plants. They could provide a habitat. How does the tuna fish keep the ocean healthy? Leihan, what do you think? How might the tuna fish keep the ocean healthy?
The tuna fish eat the small fish.
Excellent. It helps control the number of small fish. Maybe it provides food for the sharks. All right, so here are all the different ways the ocean helps us. It helps the air we breathe. It helps regulate the temperature. It gives us money in the economy. We can use it for transportation like boats. It gives us food. We can make medicine, all right? And we can use it for tourism, fishing, boating, kayaking, tourism. All right, your homework tonight. Your homework is to pick an animal in Vietnam's water and draw its habitat. On the back, I want you to write why your animal is important. For example, the sea turtle is important to the environment by eating seagrass, all right, and eating jellyfish. The whale shark is important to tourism because people come to see it. Maybe the tuna is important to the economy and to making food, or the beach. Maybe the sea turtle is also important to the economy. People come to see it, they pay money. All right, so maybe your animal's important to one of these, or three of these, or all four. Okay, so you might have to write a couple of sentences. So draw the animal and its habitat, and then write why your animal is important. Does anyone have any questions about homework? Teddy?
The homework, we draw the animal and its habitat, and at the back, we write why it's important to the ocean.
Not just why it's important to the ocean, but why it's important in general. It could be important to the economy, to tourism, for food for us, or it could be important to the ocean and keeping the ocean healthy. There could be a couple of things you write. Okay, Teddy? All right, Lehan, you have a question?
What is a tourism?
Remember, tourism is when people come to see something in another country. So tourists come to the beach to see the beach or to see the sea turtles. Tourism could be taking a tour to Ho Chi Minh or to Hanoi.
Yeah.
So tourism is